everybody, this is Aarushi Thakur Rana. I'm a playwright, actor and director. I'm really happy and glad that we live in an era where women's rights matter, women's voices matter and women matter. To all the women out there who are paving their path to success, may you have a happy International Women's Day today and every day. This year's theme is Choose to Challenge, and if we challenge, we can bring about change. I would like to challenge the stereotypical views of the society and the biases of people against women. Women in theatre have chosen a path that is less travelled by. I would like to challenge this stereotype and would like to prove that women directors can be as creative and as successful as a male one. Let's be together. Let's celebrate together. A happy International Women's Day. Thank you.